up, gentlemen? So in my opinion, summertime is the most challenging season to look super stylish, because fall, winter, springtime, you get to layer, you get to pair, you get to wear those badass leather jackets. Summertime, you literally would sweat your balls off if you tried to layer too much or wear fabrics that are not breathable, that are not lightweight. And so the other day, I went to my wife because she is somebody that I consider incredibly stylish, and she has an incredible aesthetic. I said, Sweetness, I want to do a video to help the guys out. What are 7 items that you think guys look sexy in summer? So my wife went to my wardrobe and actually chose 7 items. The idea was that I wanted her to kind of like build outfits so that you guys can know like what to wear together, and just let you know what she thinks you would look sexy wearing. The Hawaiian shirt. So as a lot of you guys have seen on Instagram and all over social media, Hawaiian shirts are again big this year, and my wife personally thinks they look sexy. I am not the biggest fan of these. I personally prefer like solid colors, but she thinks that it looks incredibly sexy on a dude when he's confident enough to pull it off. Now, one pro styling tip I will give you if you are gonna rock a Hawaiian shirt is make sure you roll the sleeves a little bit. Roll the sleeves, expose those guns. Gentlemen, where are you gonna get them? Where are you gonna find Hawaiian shirts? You can find them pretty much any fast fashion store like H&M, Forever 21, Zara, American Eagle, Abercrombie. Like, everybody is selling Hawaiian shirts because they're popular. Number 2. The classic white crewneck pocket tee was her second choice. She said that there's nothing sexier, period, than when she sees a guy and he's wearing a well-fitting white t-shirt and some cut-off jean shorts. Bringing us to number 3, jean shorts or jorts or whatever you want to call them. Here's the deal. I personally wear jean shorts all the time. I think they're cool. I think they're a little bit more like rugged and bad boy. And the beautiful thing about them is that you can make them yourself. All right, guys, if you've got an old pair of jeans that you just don't wear anymore, one of my favorite things to do is actually make shorts out of them. You want to lay them completely flat on the ground. I will get another pair of shorts and lay them on top as a template. Boom. Then just cuff them up like 2 times right there. Bang. Then you're ready to rock. Number 4 is a super clean, sexy pair of white sneaks. In my wife's opinion, and mine, there's nothing cleaner, nothing sexier than a guy wearing a simple pair of white casual sneakers. Nothing New is the brand. Dude, you guys are going to absolutely freak out like I did when I got my Nothing New sneaks. Not only are they good for the environment, they're super affordable, they're clean, they're comfortable. I love the white ones so much. When I got them, I actually asked the owner to send me the gray ones. These things are nuts. Nothing New is a badass new sneaker company that I am incredibly proud to represent. The reason is A, the sneakers look sexy as hell. The second reason, Nothing New is all about sustainability and doing things that are actually good for the environment. Their mission is to create the highest quality, sexiest sneaker that is eco-friendly. Almost every component was custom developed for this shoe and this company. You're not gonna believe it, but in each pair is like recycled water bottles. 5.6 water bottles go into creating the material for the upper, the laces, and even the footbed. The outsole is made from recycled industrial rubber, recycled cork. Guys, these shoes are so badass, you are going to love them. The other cool thing about this company, guys, that you're gonna love is that when you're done with your pair, you can send it back to them, and they're gonna give you a $20 credit on a new pair. They call it the Virtuous Circle program. The way that it works, you grab a pair of Nothing News, right? And the other cool thing, they're under $100, which is insane. Anyway, you get them, you rock them, you love them, and then when you're ready for a new pair, you send them your old pair back, and then they're gonna put them back into the supply chain, or they donate them to charity, depending on the condition. Nothing News are going to be your go-to casual sneakers because they look stylish, they look sexy, they're crazy comfortable, and you are going to love them. Guys, hit that link down below. Go grab a pair because I think supplies are limited. They're not going to last, and honestly, they are amazing. The 5th sexy summer accessory my wife chose for you is a braided belt. Forgive me, Anson, for I have sinned. Braided belts can look good depending on what you're wearing them with, but the bottom line is that it's a great way to take your style and your summer style game to the next level. Now, the downside to the braided belt, in my opinion, they're only going to be in style the next like 1, 2, possibly 3 years. After that, they're going to be out. A summer suit dressed down. Summer suit dressed down. What do you think of this look? Went with a white pair of sneakers, went with the white braided belt, white pocket tee with the summer suit. Now, a summer suit, this has linen and wool. It's a blend. So the reason why I love a wool linen blend for my summer suits is because linen by itself like wrinkles like crazy. Like you walk out of the house, bang, you're wrinkled, right? Well, when they combine linen with a nice high quality wool, you still get that cool linen-y look without the wrinkle. Talk about stepping outside of the style box, guys. You rock this number like anywhere, you are gonna have more attention from spicy senoritas looking at your ass, because it's a great way to set yourself apart, and it really takes a confident guy to pull this type of look off. But it looks incredible, and apparently ladies find it sexy. And last but certainly not least, the 7th item that my wife chose was a pair of aviator sunglasses. Aviators, in my opinion, just have a cool, classic, like beachy, vacation, summertime feel. I'm sure you can wear them anytime, but in my opinion, summertime, you gotta grab a pair of aviators. These are, of course, enemy. And that's it, gentlemen. 7 sexy summertime items my spicy senorita thinks will look incredible on you. If you appreciate her help, I would appreciate one of these to let her know that you appreciate her dealing with my obnoxious alpha ass.